Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the resources plugin on virtual image Bitnami Redmine. Okay, in our example we are going to use the VirtualBox software. However, you're free to use any other software that you like. It could be VMware or anything else. It is up to you. Okay, so we currently have Redmine 5.1.1 stable, that is the latest Redmine version, and we start it via the start button here. Alright, so we click enter and just wait for the processes to start. Here it is our login screen. We log in into the backend of our Redmine via these default credentials. Okay, and we see that it is said that the Redmine is located onto this address. If we would like to double check, then you can use command hostname I. Here it is confirmed. Now let's go and check if everything is right. We enter this IP address and wait for the Redmine to start. It needs a couple of seconds to load its processes. In my computer it takes about 20 or 30 seconds, but in yours it could be faster or slower. It depends on your hardware. Alright, we see that we are already logged into our front end via the user, which is also a default username here and password here. This is the front end credentials. You can change them anytime, however, I'm using the default one, so it will be easier for you to understand the processes. Okay, so let's go back. We go in administration here and see the information that it is indeed Redmine 5.1.1 stable, and here are some plugins already installed. And in the end of this video we are going to have the resources plugin installed here. Okay, let's proceed further. We go back to the command line and now change the directory to RedmineUP Bitnami plugins, and we list and see these plugins from the front end are of course appearing into the back end as well. Okay, we're going to wget or download directly into this folder the resources plugin, and you can use other method if you would like by going to machine and file manager, and here on to the left you will see your computer already logged in. This is your host machine, your computer, and via the credentials here you can log in into your guest machine as well, which is your virtual machine or our Bitnami Redmine. And when you do it, you can just copy paste the file via these arrows here. It is very easy. And also there are other ways of sharing files. It is up to you which one you can use. In our case I'm going to use the wget, as I have already said. Alright, so I get the link and pasted it here. So via the wget it is pointing to the latest resources plugin, that is version 2.0.1 by now. So we click enter and we see that it is successfully saved and downloaded. If you'd like to double check, you just list here and see the resources zip file here. Alright, so we unzip it via the unzip command and then remove the zip file itself because we are no longer needing it. And if you would like to double check, we see that the resources plugin is now here. Okay, so let's go back to the previous folder, which is the core Redmine folder for installation, and run the bundle install. it is going to install all the needed gems for your plugin. Okay, the next command that you have to do is bundle exec rake. This is the migration command. Redmine plugins name, here it is the name of the plugin itself, that is Redmine resources in our case, and the environment, that in our case is production. Now we wait for the migration of the tables into the database to start. Okay, we see that the migrations are successfully done. And the very last step that you have to do, but also it is a very important step, it is restarting the processes via the following command. Okay. Also, you could power off your virtual machine and then power on again. It is going to do the same thing. However, this command is faster for you. Okay. So let's go back to our browser and just refresh the page to see if we have done our job correctly. So again, we wait a couple of seconds because Redmine has been restarted and it needs some time to burn up and to restart its processes. Alright, it is done. So we see the resources is successfully installed onto our Redmine 511 stable virtual image on Bitnami Redmine. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.